Hey, hello, good evening, welcome to another update video. This is an update video about Aldi tire shine from my favorite Aldi supermarket, which I applied 2 weeks ago on these Michelin summer tires. I wanted to give you an update because when I did the comparison about Zonex, the premium brand, against the unknown brand Auto XS from Aldi, I was a bit negative. But as a matter of fact, I think Aldi tire spray is holding up quite nice. As you can see here, we've driven about 400 kilometers. And in the 2 weeks and 400 kilometers, this tire has seen rain, a lot of sun, dirt, and the tire still looks very black. And you can see the Michelin imprint very well. And that's actually the same way all around the tires. I even sprayed it up to here. And as you can see all the way up to threading, the tire looks quite nice and black. I'll take you to the other tire also. Here on the front is more or less the same story. So for a product that costs about, €3-5, you can do multiple rounds of tires with. It's holding up actually quite nice. Let's see whether it still repels water and what the beading and sheeting looks like. I'm going to spray a bit on the tire. And as you can see, nice small droplets are being formed and they roll off the tire quite nicely. And the product is still active. So also here, I think that the Aldi tire shine is still delivering and still has its dirt repellent capabilities working here. Not bad for a product from Germany that nobody's ever heard of, and you can pick up at any Aldi supermarket. Yeah, and here it's also still Immergeil. Immergeil. Look how the water rolls off. I'm very impressed with Aldi, not only for my daily groceries, but also for my car products. I can highly recommend it. Yeah, so let me know whether you have used Aldi tire shine, das immer geile auto detailing product, in my opinion, for your tires. Nice foam, sticks very well, have a lot of fun applying it. Let me know what you think, and also if there's something else I should try. Have a nice day, see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.